ever pondered how the world would look if we celebrated cultural differences rather than marginalized them? Imagine a world where cultural differences are not just accepted, but celebrated. These differences, these unique aspects of cultures around the globe, shape societies in ways that are profound and complex. They offer a variety of perspectives, ideas, and traditions that contribute to the beautiful tapestry of human civilization. Let's take a journey to a small town in America. This town is a melting pot of cultures, a place where diversity isn't just tolerated but embraced wholeheartedly. Here, every immigrant is welcomed with open arms, their unique heritage respected and celebrated. This has resulted in a community that is vibrant, thriving, and rich in cultural exchange. Everyone learns from each other, sharing their traditions, their stories, their cuisine. The town is a testament to the power of cultural diversity. In this small town, cultural differences didn't divide the community, they united it. Now imagine if such acceptance and celebration of cultural differences extended beyond this small town. Picture a globally recognized company, a melting pot of cultures, languages, and ideas. They decided to embrace this diversity, to not just tolerate it, but celebrate it, launching a comprehensive diversity and inclusion program. This wasn't an act of charity or a PR stunt, but a strategic decision. The company understood that a diverse workforce could spark creativity and innovation, could bring fresh perspectives and novel approaches. And they were right. The program led to the birth of groundbreaking ideas, to the development of pioneering products that revolutionized the market. Productivity soared, profits increased, and the company's reputation for innovation solidified. The celebration of cultural differences wasn't a burden, but a boon. It wasn't a hurdle, but a catalyst. In this multinational company, cultural differences didn't hinder progress, they propelled it. So, what if we all began to celebrate our cultural differences? Imagine a small town where everyone is proud of their heritage and eager to share it. The local festivals are a vibrant mix of traditions, each one contributing to a richly woven tapestry of community life. The town is stronger, more cohesive, because of its cultural diversity. Now, envision a multinational company. Its teams are composed of people from different cultures, each bringing unique perspectives and ideas. The company thrives on the exchange of ideas, on the new solutions that come from seeing problems through a different cultural lens. These aren't just stories. They're examples of what happens when we embrace and celebrate our cultural differences. We create stronger communities, more innovative businesses, and a more unified world. Celebrating cultural differences doesn't just make our world more colorful and diverse, it makes it stronger and more unified.